All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at this Sunday's preposition. So overland. Overland. Yeah. Across the ground or country. Overland. Yeah. I travelled overland for 2 weeks. Overland. Yeah. Going overland is the most direct way to go to a city. Yeah. How cool is that? We can only travel overland when in a car. Yeah. Travelling overland is the way to get across the country. I travelled overland all over Scotland. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. How did they travel overland in the desert? How did they travel overland in the desert? Yeah. Going overland in the desert is not easy. Not easy. Yeah. Definitely. We're travelling overland to the capital. Do you think they will go overland with us? With us? Overland? Depends. Soon we will have to travel overland for a few days to get there. It might take around 3 days travelling overland to reach this city. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use overland in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.